Hi, welcome to the Quantum Guru. My name is Brajesh Kumar Chaudhary, and this video I will discuss question number 3.1 of IE Rodo. The question states, calculate the ratio of the electrostatic to gravitational interaction forces between two electrons between two protons. At what value of the specific charge q by m of a particle would these forces become equal in their absolute values in the case of interaction of the identical particles? So let's first assume there are two identical charged particles having charge q and mass m separated by a distance r, like this. So electrostatic force on the charged particle 2 by 1, because they are of the similar charge, so electrostatic force would be a repulsive force, and on charged particle 2, because it is repulsive, so it will act like this. So that is the electrostatic force on the charged particle 2. And gravitational force is always attractive, so particle 1 will attract by virtue of gravitational force. So gravitational force is attractive, and suppose this is a gravitational force. So we want to calculate the ratio of these forces, electrostatic and the gravitational force, and let me write that ratio to be, say, eta. So eta is equal to F electrostatics divided by F gravitational, and assuming they are in free space, so F electrostatic is the constant of proportionality k, which is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, uh, multiplied by product of charges, that is a q square divided by separation square, and F gravitational is the universal gravitation constant g into product of mass square divided by separation square. So that would be k by g multiplied by q by m whole square, and we can put the numerical value of k. The numerical value of k is 9 into 10 to the power 9 in the mks units, and numerical value of g is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 multiplied by q by m. This is equal to 1.34 into 10 to the power minus 20 multiplied by q by m whole square. So there were two parts. First part was the this ratio for the pair of electrons and the ratio for the pair of protons, but we can do the other part first. The other part had asked that at what value of the specific charge q by m a particle of a particle would these forces become equal in their absolute value in case of interaction of identical particles. So if this ratio, these forces are equal, so for that case, this ratio will become 1. If F electric is equal to F gravitational, so the ratio will become 1. So I will just put it 1 here, and that is a 1.34 into 10 to the power minus 20 q by m whole square. So from here we can solve q by m. So that will come out to be 10 to the power minus 20 and divide by 1.34, and we have to take the square root. And when we'll take square root, we will get answer 0.86 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb per kg. And now to the first part. So if we have to calculate this ratio for electrons, so we've got this ratio for any charged particle. This ratio eta is equal to 1.34 into 10 to the power minus 20 into q by m whole square. For the electron charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, and we have to make the whole square. So solving this, we will get 4 into 10 to the power 42. So this is a huge value. So it tells that electrostatic force is a much stronger than the gravitational force. In fact, the gravitational force is the weakest force. And now similarly for the pair of protons. For pair of protons, this ratio will be 1.34 into 10 to the power minus 20 multiplied by q by m whole square. Charge for the proton is same as that of the electron, that is a 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 20 coulomb, but the mass of a proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and we have to make the whole square. So solving this, we will get the answer. Let me use calculator. So we will get 1 into 10 to the power 36. So this is the answer for this question.